Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a video with static frames by using the CapCut mobile video templates. So in here, I've already on the templates menu in CapCut, and what you need to do is just find the templates. You can search for specific keywords, or you can also explore in here. You can see there are lots of aesthetic frames here used by the CapCut creator, but I'm going to just find it. So I'm going to find aesthetic frame, just click on enter, then the templates will show up. You can see there are lots of options and you can use it freely. So for example, I'm going to use this Polaroid frame. Click on the templates, click on the use template and add a video or image to the template. So here, for example, I'm going to add this photo to the template, and that's it. So you can just click on export to save the video. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.